Hi guys, today I want to show you the toughness of our 3D printed scope base for Crosman rifle and pistols. So this particular pistol, it's a model 1377, and it's gonna work for most of the Crosman pumping or CO2 air pistol and air rifles. So as you can see, this is a standard Picatinny rail scope mount on top of our 3D printed scope base, and I'll just try to use this guy as a hammer. As you can see, that's not the first time I use it as a hammer. So I just use this surface to try to hammer this nail into this piece of pine. There we go. Not the best hammer, obviously, but you can see the nail, it's almost 1/3 of the way in. I cannot take it out for sure. And you can see the scope mount, it's still straight and no damage whatsoever to the scope base. As a matter of fact, I can just keep hammering and it's probably gonna go deeper. There we go, and still straight. There you go. In an emergency, you can use your scope mount as a hammer. Thanks for watching.